Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on paper trading. Is it worth it? Stay tuned and find out, because I'll be sharing my thoughts. So what is paper trading? Paper trading is basically trading but with fake money. Paper trading has advantages and disadvantages, and I'll discuss the advantages first. When you're not familiar with a trading platform, it is important to test it out first. Paper trading is the best possible way to test out a trading platform to make sure you are familiar with how to buy, how to sell, how to cancel your orders, and maybe how to use hotkeys. For example, when I started using the Interactive Brokers platform, I paper traded first to make sure I understood how the platform worked. It sucks to start using a trading platform without knowing how it works, and then you lose money because of that. Like, you would want to fight yourself. Like, it's a horrible feeling, right? So you don't want to have to deal with that. Another advantage of paper trading is that it can be used to backtest strategies. Like, if you're not familiar with how to trade or what strategy works for you, you can paper trade to figure that out. I didn't paper trade to figure out my strategy. I wish I did, because it would have saved me some money. But I paid the tuition, and that's fine. But you can paper trade to figure out what your strategy is and to find your edge in the market. Now, these are two good reasons to paper trade, right? But the disadvantage could knock these two reasons out. The disadvantage of paper trading is that it does not give you the full trading experience. So when you have emotions that you're dealing with when you're trading with real money, paper trading does not give you that. You're basically trading risk-free. So you don't experience that greed or fear or excitement that comes with winning a trade or losing the trade, etc., right? Because the money is fake, so there's no emotional attachment to it. When you work hard for your money, there's some form of emotional attachment. You might not notice it, and that's why trading is an emotional game. So paper trading does not help you beyond the technical aspects of trading. You don't work on anything else beyond the technical aspects of, how does a broker work, or how to backtest your strategies. Your trading psychology is not being tested, and that's key. Because if everything goes out the window, if you cannot manage your emotions, then you're done. Like, you would continue to lose money. So that's where paper trading can actually be kind of a double-edged sword. It helps you sharpen your technical skills, but it doesn't really help you emotionally. So if you're someone that's struggling with a strategy and you paper trade, it could be like, paper trading helped me. But if your issues are emotional or related to trading psychology and discipline, paper trading would not really have that much effect on you. So, is paper trading worth it? I would say if your goal is to work on the technical aspects of trading, paper trade all the way. But if you have discipline and trading psychology issues, paper trading would not help you with that. So, I'd like to hear from you. Is paper trading worth it? Have you tried it before? What was your experience with it? Would you recommend it? Leave a comment below and I'll read it, and I'll shout out one person in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.